Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katherine and my channel is KWSHOPS, and today we are doing a bag review of the Louis Vuitton Bloomsbury in the GM size. So if you're new here, my name is Katherine. My channel is KWSHOPS. So I do informative videos about the pre-loved luxury market. I've worked in the industry for many years now, and I give shopping tips and care advice, authenticity information, all kinds of stuff. So if you're new here, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come back for more videos. Today we have a bag review. We're going to be doing a bag review on the Louis Vuitton Bloomsbury GM. This is the largest size of this bag. I want to say that the Bloomsbury was introduced around 2009. This bag is from 2010. We see it has the Damier Ebene print. So this bag measures 14.5 inches across, 12.5 inches tall, and about 1.5 inches wide. It is quite narrow, so it does go flat, but once you do start to put things in it, it can widen out a little bit. That's why it's a little bit difficult to determine the exact width, because it depends on what you're going to be putting inside. The zipper opening measures 14 inches across, so it is perfect to carry a 13-inch MacBook. It's actually the reason why I decided to purchase this. So this bag makes a great, perfect crossbody. The strap drop length, that is the, you can't see that, but that is the length from the tip here where my finger is to the zipper opening. So that goes between 21 and 24.5 inches. So it's a perfect crossbody. For reference, I'm 5'8", and I usually carry this on the shoulder, but when I do put it crossbody, I put it around the second or third adjustment. So as I mentioned, this is the largest size of this bag. This bag comes in a PM small and MM medium. The smaller sizes also tend to be a bit more narrow and have a little bit different of a shape to them. I really like this one because it maintains the more or less the same width throughout the entire length of the bag. As I mentioned, I bought this to carry to be a smaller size laptop bag, and it did work really well for the job. Damier Ebene canvas on the exterior with treated leather trim and strap, gold hardware. It's a full zipper closure right here. Very large and spacious front pocket with this little pleat detail here in the front. This is what the outside pocket looks like. It's lined in red canvas. This is what the lining looks like, and as you can see, there is like one of the old style cell phone pockets. As well as a larger slip pocket that does fit different sized smartphones. This bag does fit a 13-inch MacBook, but the one thing I do want to mention when you do go to put a large and flat item inside of that, it does take up basically the entire length of the bag. Now, so what that means is once you've filled the bag with your laptop, there isn't a whole bunch of room to put other things inside of it, so you have to be very selective. I liken this almost to carrying a mini bag that also fits your laptop. I hope that makes sense. Being that it's so narrow, you would think that it would hold its structure pretty well, but unless you are literally carrying a laptop inside of it, I would say that it's not so structured of a bag, certainly not to my preference, but I'm someone who really likes structure. If you're not such a stickler for structure, then I think that it shouldn't be so much of a problem. Overall, it'll depend on your personal needs and what you carry daily to determine if this will be a good laptop bag for you. Hopefully this info is helpful. So here's a look of everything that fits inside of here. I have my Louis Vuitton jean wallet. I have my mini umbrella that goes into all of my mini bags. And if you want to carry a mini pochette, that goes in here really well. A case for your sunglasses. And so now this bag is designed as a crossbody, but as I've showed you in a couple of other videos, there is this one hack that I use to carry it on the shoulder. I think it looks great and just gives this bag a little bit of added versatility, which I think is always a plus. This one didn't end up being the one for me, but I do think it is a great everyday bag. You happen to carry less things than I do. I don't know, there's just some type of inclination in me when it comes time to buy a handbag that I just need to carry everything in the kitchen sink, and when my laptop is in tow and only then, it doesn't necessarily work out for me very well. But I can say this is a great durable bag. The treated leather and coated canvas make it perfect for rainy weather or snow. It's really easy to wear, really easy to get into. I think the really roomy, large outside pocket is a great design feature for this bag, and I really do, in spite of the fact that it didn't work out for me, I definitely do recommend it. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little bag review. If you have any other bags that you would like me to review, please comment them down below in the description box and I can see what I can get a hold of. As I mentioned, I do work in the pre-loved industry, so I do have access to a whole bunch of great stuff. So like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!